Hello friends, welcome back. In this tutorial we'll learn about trim entities and convert entities. These tools are very important in SolidWorks designing, and trim entities tool is mainly used for removing unwanted parts or persons from our design sketch. Similarly, convert entities is one of the most dynamic command in SolidWorks because it allows us to repeatedly use individual edges from other parts of our design. This tutorial teaches you about a simplified way to observe our design using trim and convert entities in SolidWorks. And first of all, we'll learn about trim entity. Just go new file, okay, part. And we can use power trim to trim multiple adjacent sketches entire by dragging the pointer across each sketch entity. So let's go to front plane and just select sketch and make one center point rectangle here. And the main thing for trimming is you must have coincident sketch parts with one another. So let's put dimension. This one to be 30 mm, and here this is 30. Another thing about trim entities is it's like removing unwanted parts across using a scissor. So let's start, and okay, we'll make some different scales, mirror them, and as a whole we'll use trim entities. So just go here, make one, and here another. Okay, and we'll put dimensions. Select this point, with dimension 10, and here to be this point and this point to be 10 mm. Okay, so here come to this line, select this midpoint and press shift and select this point and make relation coincident here, and do the same in this sketch too. Select this line. Okay, you'll find the midpoint and come here to this center of this arc and press shift and click this point and make relation coincident. So you can see the sketch is defined till now, and we'll add some more construction line here to mirror them. We'll do in both sides. Okay, and here and here. So this is our construction line. These two are construction line. We'll use them while mirroring. So go to mirror entities, and entities to mirror, select this. Okay, selected, mirror about this axis. Okay, and again go to mirror entities, and entities to mirror, select this and mirror about this axis. Okay, you can see here. So now we'll use trim entities. As I have already mentioned, there should be intersecting points to use trim entities. Just go select the trim entities and go to this point. These lines are not trimmed. Similarly, do the Control Z, do here. Go to trim entity, and if you want to undo the trim, then you can just go back to this red point here. Okay, this is our trimmed scales, and go to features, extruded boss base, and make here 30. Okay, so this is our model. We have used trim entities. If we haven't used trim entities, then this case would be different, and you can see now I think you have realized that trim entity is very useful tool in SolidWorks designing. It makes drawing sketch easier, and we'll learn about convert entities. Just you have to make, what you have to do is you have to make a solid sketch here, and we'll do that. So for convert entity is also an useful tool here in SolidWorks. Actually, what happens in convert entity is the entity selected duplicates when converted, and its main purpose is we don't have to redraw the sketch time and again. We can use same sketch to regenerate the shape. It appears that depending on the shape of inner loop, and we can repeatedly use this sketch time and again. I have already told. So go to rectangle, center point rectangle here, and start from the center and circle, go, okay, smart dimension 100, and put here 100, and put the dimension of circle to be 50 mm, and okay, go to features, extruded boss base, and put here 50, okay, and here we'll use convert entity. So this is our figure. Go to front plane here and make sketch, and okay, select this circle and convert entity. Okay, you can see the circle behind this, the in front plane is selected and it is converted into a circle, and you can do other features by using this circle. So I'll just go to extruded boss base here and extrude a surface here, blind 50 mm reverse. You can see, okay, so we have generated this person by using convert entity. Convert entity is also a useful tool in SolidWorks. So if you want to generate another figure, then you can convert this circle. So there is no waste of time in drawing a sketch here. By using convert entity, it makes our sketch much more faster and efficient. So we have learned trim and convert entity in this video, and we'll post other videos regularly. Please subscribe to our channel, like the video, put some comment. Thank you.